we are here for what in this day. The purpose of this event, the purpose ezoba clear nje ibe short kanje. Sizama nje ukuthi ngizozama nje ukuthi ngibe short and precise. We had a program of training, so the training yethu was on two sections. It was a training on poultry farming and a training on agricultural food production. So eyenziwa ke under organization yamandla ethu to the community members and also the stakeholders of amandla ethu. So we are happy at this point. So the purpose of this event, it's one thing, a team, we are trying to promote those things as well. We are an organization that is called the Mandate Foundation with the slogan, working together tirelessly. We are registered under two different sections again. Registered no CIPC, registered no social development. So under CIPC, we have ilokuzani sectors ngaphansi kwayo community ngenzela ukuthi umuntu obangikhombela lapha abone into engichazayo. Community Economic Development and Foundation. So it's a part of this program why we are here. So as an organization, we have decided to you guys nibe first team here to that forms noma sipushe iphupho lethu lokuthi sihlanganisele umphakathi ukuthi ukhuliseke ngendlela economically. Nanokuthi siqale sisuke nabo phansi from their foundation. So umsebenzi weorganization lo. We are flexible vision yakhona. We are flexible and approachable, reliable organization capable of working hand in hand with our communities in changing and transforming the life and environment they live in. So that is why we are here. So sidila nalento nje ethi sifise ngazathi ningakwazi ukugquzeleka ekuthenini nikholelwe kini ekuthenini ningakwazi ukuthi nikwazi ukushintsha isimo somnotho nempilo zenu ngokuthi ke senze these programs lawa silidele to the purpose of this event today. So in as much as we are here today, sinethethi sesiku graduation namhlanje, so the people who made it to success bakwazile ukuthi bafike la, so sizo graduate sake namhlanje you guys ukuthi nikwazi ukuthola izinto zenu from isikole ngendlela okade qhubeka ngayo program. Siyafisa ukuthi ningayichinji le purpose yethu ngani niphume nayo la endlini. Ngane ungathola itifiketi zenu bese niyahlala bese niyarelaxa umuntu akasenze okright uthola ulwazi kodwa ungasalisebenzisi. Okubuhlungu kuba ngcono ukubhubha komuntu engenalo ulwazi kunokubhubha komuntu esenani enolwazi. Mawutsheleliwe wafundiseka ukuthi you can change your life, kube ngazathi othisha esasikade sibatholile they were wasting their time. Kuba inkinga yakho thina as a foundation why sithi phumani nalento yalamaphupho organization niwaphile la nihamba khona phandle ukuzama ukuzifukula nina economically, nizama ukuzifukula nina ukuthi nikwazi ukuphila. Uzochoose sector, it's either ungakwenza futhi ko2 trying uzama ubone ukuthi uplawulekeleleka khona ngendlela yakho. Asimileke the offer yethu babumazubani that we offered then that time siqhubeka le training yokuthi amasebevumeleke bahlangane sikwazi ukuba registera ama co-op. We are still waiting for them. Abanye ke ngathi beyithi consensus. Because nayo co-op iba problem mabezovele beyenze without having the formal meetings but understand that. And that's why we are giving them an opportunity again up until the end of this year. We said last time up until the end of the month. So ubaba ke wafika ngaleli viki kwakade kufanele kuphele ngale nyanga. Then we expected ukuthi sothola ilist yabantu asebevumelene sangayithola. But-ke due to ukuthi sifisa ukuthi leli phupho liqhubekele phambili noma le purpose le event iqhubeke, we are extending into ukuthi we still sazomthatha uma senivumelene ukuregister nikhande co-op, kodwa must be within a space of this year, which means the last day yokuthi nikwazi ukuthi ningene will be 4:30 nge-31 after i-1 zango-2025. Ngeke sayikhuluma baba le language, but ngifuna ukunivezela nami ukuthi siyazama ukuthi abalekeleleke, kungabe ukuthi niphume nesithombe esithi organization yazama ukuthi abalekeleleke, nabo futhi mhlawumbe bayazama ukuthi organization ayiqhubeke ukubalekelela. Ngiqonda ukuthi abantu sizoconfirma nge-31 ukuthi cha no sihlulekile nathi ukuthi kushuthi abakatholi isivumelwano sokubalekelela. Ma programs ekodwa wezokuqala wagcini kule because still sisazoya emphakathini nasemproposal siyosiza sisiza umphakathi wonke at large, but besikukhalela laba because they are our first team ukuthi certificate zabo bengahlali nazo kuphi khona ekhaya, kube ukuthi kubonakala ngabo ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa kuyaphambili. Ngalawo mazwi, I wish you the best guys on behalf of organization emsebenzini wenu omuhle nasekuyiphatheni kahle. Sibonga nokuthi sihloniphaneni up until this far nani, and sibe ukuthi it was a good experience ukusebenza